Okay, let me get this pulled up here on my other screen here, or I mean, switch over and whatnot. It really should have. I'll get the hang of this again. It's been a while. Always fall out of practice, right? Since the last time I did anything. Oops. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna try and do some decimal stuff today. I decided that I would move it over from being I decided that I'd move it over from being a Python command line application over to being a Go microservice, because that way I can more easily theoretically add a bunch of extra stuff in the future, right? At least that's the hope. That's what I'm going for. So you know, we'll see just how well that goes. Because I'm not a big Go person. Neither do I really know any Go. So I suppose this is going to be a thing that's either going to it's going to be a pass fail kind of situation, right? So I guess we'll see. All right, let's get this party started. Oh, and that's top chat over there, which I actually want it to be all live chat. There we go. Okay, here we go. So I kind of sort of put together a little bit of something, mostly just like so I can kind of learn how Go works, because a little bit at least before I get started, because I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Now, what I've done as well is I come over to here, I can say ls, right? And then cd. I've just stashed it in here. That way they get deployed together, kind of thing. It kind of makes sense to me. Yeah, anyway, sorry. So I kind of put this together. If I pull up Insomnia, I can do the, just gonna delete that. Confirm. Okay, here we go. Interesting. So I send. Oh, right, it's not running. And I don't think it's going to run. Yeah, it's going to complain about this import. Okay, so let's, I guess, start adding the import here. Go decimal math. I think this is the one that I decided to go with. Maybe. It looks right. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. General decimal arithmetic. Oh, I don't care about that. Here we go. I wish there was examples. I just want examples. Okay. So I guess it's like, wait. Arguments to, wait. Let's see here. Package provides a high performance arbitrary precision floating point decimal library. Overview. This package provides floating point decimal numbers useful for financial programming or calculations where a larger, more accurate representation of a number is required. In addition to basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtractions, multiplications, and division, this package offers various mathematical functions, including the exponential function, various logarithms, and the ability to compute continued fractions. I am not sure what that is, but I imagine that that is going to be useful. Lean, this package is full of features. It implements interfaces like formatter, FMT formatter, and intuitively utilizes verbs and flags as described in the FMT package. Also included FMT scanner, stringer, encoder text unmarshal, interesting, and encoder text marshaller. It allows users to specific explicit context algorithms, I can't pronounce that today. Operations, but doesn't require it. Provides access to an NAN, non-number payloads, blah blah blah. API interfaces have been changed slightly to work more seamlessly with existing Go programs. For example, many quantiz. I don't know what this is. What is this? Apply quantum theory to. Oh, okay. Implementations require a decimal as both the receiver and argument, which isn't very user-friendly. Instead, this library accepts a simple int, which can be derived from an existing decimal if required. Oh, okay. It contains two modes of operation designed to make transitioning to various GDA quirks, like allowing rounding lossless operations easier. Cool. I guess that's good. Maybe. Anyways, there are three primary goals for this library: correctness, adhering to the general decimal algorithm specification. This package has well-defined structure for this algorithmic operation. Wow. Decimal libraries are inherently slow. This works diagonally to minimize memory allocation and utilize efficient algorithms. Performance regularly benchmarks as fast or faster than many other popular decimal libraries. And ease of use. Okay. The following type is supported: big decimal numbers. Interesting. The zero value for a big corresponding with 0, meaning all the following are valid. The zero value for big corresponds with 0, meaning. I think that makes sense. Method naming is the same as math / big's meaning. Set, unary, binary, pred. In general, it's conventions mirror math / bigs. It is suggested to read the math / bigs package comments to gain an understanding of this package's conventions. arguments to binary and unary methods are allowed to alias. So the following is valid. New. Wait, so I don't think I fully understand. This is so good in the I am kind of lost kind of way. Did this person link to the big since they've referenced it a couple of times? I don't think they did. Golang big. Oh, I forgot to do something else as well. Go testing. Testing packages. For descriptions of the testing flags. I don't care about the testing flags. I just want to test it. A simple benchmarking function looks like this. I don't care about the benchmarking right now. Oh, okay. A simple test. All right. Let's see. Testing by example. Here we go. Go by example testing. Unit testing is an important blah, blah, blah. That's, I suppose, something. Okay, so what I want to do, okay, that makes sense. And then this would just be a file with the same name and then underscore test. So it'd be, oh, big coffee now. Calculator service test.go. And then we come over to here. Right. And then does it auto import it? For the sake of demonstration, this code is packaged in package main, but it could be any package. Testing code typically lives in the same package as the code it is testing. We'll be testing this simple implementation of an integer. I also feel like if I go and look at this, there's probably going to be tests. Oh, okay, yeah. So they just like will live next to each other, right? That makes sense. Okay. And then this would be math big, which I think is this file. Yeah, because this one doesn't incorporate it, right? Maybe. Will be, I guess maybe we'll find out if it actually does that by just writing our first test. I guess we should probably actually write out our first kind of like actual thing here, right? So this decimal is not there, right? So what we want to do is we'll write func go return go function with return. return value. Okay, so how do we return a value? Okay, so, oh, okay, so like this would return X and Y. Okay, that makes sense. This would return us two strings. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so it's just like after we put the thing. Okay, so this would be calculate CAGR value. And then this would take in a, I guess a pointer. Sorry, this would be CAGR values. And this would be a pointer of type CAGR calculator. Although this should probably be CR struct. So let's just quickly rename this. There we go. And then I'm going to rename this one as well. Default values. All right, so what we're going to do here is, because we're going to pass it in now, and we want to, this is going to be already deserialized. What we want to do is pass it in and add some tests. I guess we actually probably should punt this out into maybe another file. Let's see here. How do we add directories to Go? Where's this file here? This one. Slowly going insane here. Okay. I think this makes sense. Okay, so if we do a new directory, and this one would just be CAGR, right? We can just punt everything for CAGR into here, and then this would just be, this would clean up this, right? So new Go file, CAGR. Cancel. Or should we do like a calculators and then, yeah, that actually might make more sense here. New directory, oops. Actually, one sec. I'm going to do this because I might want to do this as a bit more in the future. So we'll do that. Just bear with me here. Worthwhile. And then we'll say go, or sorry, we'll say, yeah, go. Yeah, no, we'll, yeah, no, I'll definitely do that. Sorry. I'm slowly going insane. Go Microservice, or worthwhile Go Microservice. Create new window. Yes, I'm making it in a new window for a good reason. And the reason is that I'm going to copy and paste. And this will be I guess this would be what, worthwhile Go Microservice. Although I feel like it almost should be main, but I don't know, whatever. it's not up to me. Well, it is up to me, but like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so or I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I really got to get out of the habit of swearing all the time. Yes, I added those. I did not actually mean to add those. Where was it? There we go. They are no longer staged. Beautiful. Okay. Now we can continue on with the rest of this. That's everything we need, right? Yeah. Okay. So now we can go back here and we can close this one. And we'll do new directory, elaters. And then this would be a new, I guess, a Go file. I don't know what this would actually have in it, but we'll figure that one out as we go. Directory. And then the first thing that we want is that CG whatever, right? CAGR. CAGR. New Go file. And then this would be CAGR. And then in here, we'll have a new file, CAGR test.go. I really should have made that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now, decimal does not need to be here, but decimal will need to be in here. We also we'll need to like copy a bunch of stuff out. So I'm just going to paste that there for now. Come over here, do the imports. We can get rid of certain things, like we don't need that. I don't think that we need this. But I think that we'll need those too. Okay, and then we'll bring in the types. And we can delete that. Okay. Okay, here we go. And then we should probably also have a handler. Or should we worry about the handler? No, I'll worry about the handler later. For now, let's just deal with this. So this will have the structs and all of that, which will give us the stuff that we need, right? I guess we don't need that default value for now. Type CAGR result struct. Should this be maybe value? No. Yeah, there we go. Oops. Here we'll say do we want to return the data? Let's we'll just say result. And this will be float 64. And it will be a JSON. And here we will give it the value of result. There we go. And then here we want to return, I guess, a pointer to CAGR result struct. Or would this just be this, right? Go returning a struct. Or does Go want me not to return the struct, but to return, like take in the pointer and then return? Okay. So I just do this, right? Yeah. I actually want to return the struct. I don't want to like pass it in. I don't like having that stuff be around, right? So like there's no reason to have it. So why bother, right? Like I guess theoretically it's faster because you don't have to return the object. So I guess we could, right? Like this could be CAGR results, which would be a star to CAGR results struct. And then we don't need to return anything. But I don't know. All right, let's just move on. Okay, so we'll have the beginning value and the final value. We want to do the math on it now. Let's see here. All right, so I just want to find a test. Let's find a good test here. Example decimal test. String. Where do we create it? Okay, so here. What's the value of this, though? Example big precision. So wait, is new... So where's big then? This is the big package. This is the decimal. New big. Here. So I guess I need big. Does big get imported? Or is it just, it's part of math, right? Yeah. Okay, so, ooh, okay. So we would go here. Math big. Additionally, each big value has a context. I wish there was just examples. Just flat examples would be great. Is there examples? Maybe this. Oh wait, no, this was okay, this was decimal, yeah. Okay. I don't actually input const. Wait, I think they said that we can just like straight up just dump them in, right? So let's just try that. Okay. So if I have the two values of beginning value and final value, and I just want to add them together, right? So this would be decimal dot add. This is decimal. I don't know if I need big. So let's find out. Payload. Returns a context. Okay, so this is in the context here. Why is this so hard? Why is there Java? Oh, here we go. Test add. Arithmetic. Add. What's this big? Okay, so math big is still required. So no matter what I do, I need to understand how to use big. Float shift. Go decimal. What was that package? It's just decimal, right? Go, yeah, decimal. Examples. Decimal from float. There we go. Oh, that's so good. This is so much easier to deal with. Okay, decimal from float. Okay, so what we could do is we'd say, oh wait, no, because I don't actually care. I just want to add, right? So if I just have add, well, add takes in a decimal. So I have to convert it to decimal first. Okay, so all of these have to be decimals first. So we'll start by saying beginning, beginning, I guess this would be var beginning value of decimal. It'd just be this dot from here. Does this not need to be var anymore? Okay, and then what we want is just this, and this would be CA values dot beginning value. And then this would be, we would repeat this for final value. And this would be number of years. And this would be number of years, right? And then what's the issue here? Of course. I think this is bad info. New? New return and fixed point decimal value. New from big int. New from float. Oh, new from float. Wait, yeah, no, that should work. Why is decimal not working then? Does it just new from float? Is this not here? Why is this not working? I feel so lost. I like literally don't know what the hell's going on here. Did that not import correctly? Golang import. Do I need to... Like, I thought it would be decimal, but apparently it's not, right? Is that it? So, like, is decimal not actually correct? How do I do this import? Why is that not covered? Why is this confusing and hard? How to import Golang decimal. Import. There. From string. Okay, so it's just completely broken. Unresolved reference. What's the issue? Decimal dot. It's not importing correctly. Of course it's not. It'd be too easy if it just worked the way that the documentation said it did. But then it also wouldn't be Go. Like, this actually should work. According to the documentation, this is correct. Wait, I didn't want that. This isn't supposed to be that. It's supposed to be number of years, I think. Okay, and then here we would say, if I just like forego that one for now, and we'll just like do results is equal to maybe this here. Oh no, it's already passed in, right? So it'd just be CARG results dot result equals decimal dot div Was it div? Yeah. Maybe? Div round. Wait, what? Oh, okay. So it would be beginning value dot div and then final value. And then this would be like to float. To float. 30 float 64 returns nearest float 64 value for D. Okay, so this would be what? Float 64. Wait. I don't this makes no sense. So does this mean that like this is the taken? Turns it the value D and bool indicating whether or not F represents D exactly for more details. That doesn't make any goddamn sense. Oh my god. Just how do I get this out as a float? I want to Golang convert decimal to float. I guess the only way to do this is to convert it to string because it's the only thing this fucking thing. Okay, there we go. Now, how do I test this? Go, one of the most aggravating languages I've ever had the unpleasantries to ever deal with. Wow, this site can't even fucking. Oh my god, it can't even do that right. What a piece of shit. All right, so where did it start screwing up? It's like, what if we just made things incredibly difficult for the reasons of just gatekeeping out of no goddamn reason whatsoever? Feel like this needs to be CA. Wait. So this would be worthwhile microservices, collectors, CA. Or no, does it even need to be imported at all? I guess it will tell me if it does, right? What did I call it again? Calculate. Oh, okay. Um, and then I need another one, var output equals results. And I think this would be output. This is totally going to be wrong, but like I don't even care. I would like it to be wrong, so. What? Oh wait, you're right. This doesn't actually have any value return dot result. Output dot result. Go get dot maybe. And then how do I test? How do I run the tests? Running go tests. Is it just go test? Okay, let's try that go test. What are you talking about? I have one. What the I just want to test all of them, like just everything. Hey. No, I don't care about running a single test. I want to run every test. Go. Go run all tests in project. No, no test files. Even though there's test files, there's no test files because go. Okay, so go has the I know. How are things silly? So go has the dumbest fucking testing system I've ever seen in my entire goddamn life. You have to describe every single file that you ever want to test, or at least describe every folder that you want to test, because it's a fucking terrible language. Yeah, I know it's not a Go root, but you can't find it with the oh my god. Go test not able to find the tests. It is test. Oh my god. Look, It's called test. Oh my God. It's like I followed a little bit of information. Oh my God. Look, it even has test in the name. You'd think that it'd fucking work. I'm doing fantastic, as you can tell. Go is a pile of fucking dog shit of a language. Can't get anything goddamn well right. It's like, hey, what do you think would be a good idea? Make everything the hardest thing possible to do. Oh, okay, yeah, we can do that. That sounds like a good idea. Make things difficult. Go. The shitty language that should have never been built. No, I'm just in between. Well, I can't go test find any of the tests I've defined because it is a pile of dog shit of a language. Someday, it might actually be able to do something for a change. Let's see. Is nice. MIDI keyboards are always kind of fun. See if I can find. See if Codephobia is online. Are you around? Adding a test. Go programming language. Too bad testing doesn't fucking work because it's a pile of shit of a language. Does anybody have examples of Go tests that actually can run? Because like that would be like beautiful if Go tests actually worked. Unfortunately, Go tests don't actually do anything. Oh, look, here. Oh, hey, somehow this one works. Do I need to add this? Because that other one didn't have it. I'm going to try moving this into here and deleting this. Oh, look at that. No test files because it's a fucking shit language. It's like, oh, hey, testing. Testing's bad. Go firmly believes that testing is a bad idea. Firmly. Testing is a terrible idea according to Go. You'd think that a language that was built to be a good language would have testing in it. But no. Testing is bad. Don't use testing. Testing, bad. This is what my understanding of Go. Testing is terrible. All right. I'm actually at the point where I'm ready to call it a fucking day because I've had to deal with Go now, and this is aggravating. I need to go and talk to some people in some Go thing. Maybe I can do a Go Discord. Go Discord. Golang Discord. Basic information about the server, official Go code. Discuss the Go programming language. See if I can get some help. News, Lang. Go art only. Go job market. Go Lang. I guess Golang. How do you run tests in Go? Why doesn't Go have a decent test runner? What are the best ways to add tests to Go to a Go project, since the built-in Go test doesn't appear to be capable of finding tests in a project or running tests at all? Go testing is shit. Want to write Go unit tests? Want to write good unit tests in Go? No, I want to write unit tests in Go. I just want to be able to use unit tests. Like just use them at all would be nice. Go. The #1 shit language ever built. What an absolute train wreck. Am I missing something? Or is it actually good practice in Go to just throw literally everything in the root directory and just call it a day? Is that the best way to do this? Like just everything goes in the root directory, fuck any structure at all? Like there's no structure in Go, right? It could make a whole lot of sense if there's just no structure in Go projects at all. Like that would make a whole lot of sense, because it is a terrible language. So following bad practice would probably be a good thing to do. Over the last few weeks, blah, blah, blah. I don't fucking care. I don't want to read an essay on how to get you my tests to actually run. Oh my God. Go test, not able to find tests in subfolders. If you are in the root folder, note that you can run Go tests recursively. You need to list all packages you want to test. The Go notation is described in section Go description of package list. following command Go. I don't fucking care. I just want it to goddamn well work. So far, Go is garbage. It can't do anything right. Go. What a shitty language. Building and testing caching. I don't care. I just want to run tests. Why is there no documentation on this? Like, why do you need a goddamn essay in order to say this is how you run tests in Go, right? Like it's stupid. It should just be Go test. Like that should just actually work. It should grab every single test file out of your entire fucking project and just run them. Like this shouldn't be difficult. This isn't difficult. I don't know why it's difficult. I don't know why Go insists on making it difficult. Like this. So what the fuck is this? Okay, so this is how you do it? Yeah? Does it work? Oh, hey, look, it did work. Oh my God. That is fucking dumb. It's goddamn well stupid as shit. That is kind of an anti-turn. Wow. Really fix that. New from float. And then this doesn't work. Go test. Just run all the tests in the project. Every other modern language does it. Go needs to be so different. Big projects may have subdirectories. And the whole thing. You want to target just that. So after much work, I finally got Go to work. It's like methods on classes, but instead function point structure. The same. Just pointing out that Go is a complex. And just saying that just saying that Go is making things needlessly complex. With Go. I'm sorry, I disagree. I'm sorry, I disagree with Go on this. Go test should just find all of them. You shouldn't have to add extra complexity to it. I'm sorry, I disagree with Go on this. Can't wait until the weeks of other languages do. Why does Go do this when generics? Bingo. Whatever happened to Go Bingo? Why does Go have to be needlessly complicated? It's like setting up a Go project is like fucking pulling teeth. Still can't figure out why this doesn't work. Like, this is actually an error here. I guess like this doesn't need to be here. This could just be this since it's the only thing I'm actually using here. I hope to use Go as little as possible. No, I'm just gonna yeah. If I have this, then I should expect decimal to be how I access it, correct? Or is there something I'm missing? do I need to do anything special to get it to import correctly into a sub module? Compared to JS, uh, Go is incredible. Compared to JS, compared to JS, every language is incredible. Unless you name the package something else. I'm not sure I follow. A module from another module? Decimal in a sub module of a project. Sure, yes. That. Yes. Should I just throw all the packages, all the files into the root? It seems to be the easiest way to. Is it a better idea to just throw everything into the root folder? It seems like the best way to do things. It seems like it may be the best way to do things for some reason. If you have a module set up, so I do have a go.mod. I do have a go.mod. I do not know what it contains because, or whatever. Yeah, there we go. It's there. Okay, so this is broken. Let's see if it works here. It's probably going to work in the parent project. If there's a sub package, you'd import it like. I'm just trying to use decimal dot new from float, and it's giving me errors. Do do do. Do do do. I think. Wait, is this one it? Yeah, this one's it. New from float. Where'd it go? Is this the wrong package? I was fairly certain I was there. Is there new? Does I thought it did. I ended up on docs for a different decimal project. Uh, hmm. High performance decimal is this even the right one? Did I end up on the wrong one here? I thought it was this one. Is this the wrong one? I feel like it's the wrong one. One sec. Where is the one that I was trying to use? Did I end up on like 8? Oh my god. Go decimal math. Expand. Okay, so yeah, no, it is this one. Okay, so I'm guessing I can't use a float for this, can I? Is finite. Here's float. Oh my god, I just want to just create a big, type big. Always a bit of a pain in the butt. I am literally about to actually scrap it and just go over to Python, and things are easier. Just allowed scale. I would love for this to be in Go. Goes substantially faster. It would make a better service. And if I go over to Python, I need to run it I would rather run it as a command line application. And I don't really want to do like a command line application for like every little individual thing. But it might be the only way to do it. And it's kind of sad. Especially since like I'd have to like build the Python project and whatnot, and the startup time is always a pain. I just would love this to be a microservice. A fairly idiomatic API, decimals API follows mathbig's API. Go converting float to mathbig. Converting float to. How to convert mathbig int to float? No, I want it the other way around. New float. Okay. Wait. This might be. Okay. Here we go. This might be it. I might be able to do it with just big. Or wait. Was I on the wrong thing when I tried to do the add, right? Because like maybe that's a thing. Add. Here we go. This is the right documentation, right? Add. Needs a big. Okay, so if I make a big, right? If I make a big using this, right? This would be math big, right? And then big allows me just to do as big, right? And then I can do big dot new. Oh, yay! This might work. Big new float. Wait, is that valid? It did say that it was valid. Package big returns a float. Right? Maybe? Ugh. This is complicated already. No. Here, yeah. This is what I wanted. Don't care about that one right now. Come back to this here. Okay. Okay, so big new will give me this. And then I might be able to add. Wait, why is this causing a problem now? What's the error here? Oh, right, because it's not actually being used, right? We'll just do this. Okay, there, right? And then we want to do the div, right? Here. I'm gonna start. No, I need that last one. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, that's because this is a different package. Oh yeah. Okay. Go docs. Documentation. functions. Okay, so we want the add, right? And the add is in here. Okay, so if I do this, right? So this is that, and then I do dot no, I want this to go to from being a float to float. So 0 value for an int. Wait. What if I this doesn't actually send anything over, so that's fine. We can just do this. We can do what we can do is we can do fmt, right? So it's fmt dot print line, which is fine. And then here it would be, or no, this would be printf, right? And then it would be, we want before and after, and then this would be beginning value. I guess maybe that. I don't know how to do this. Final value. And this would be beginning value and then final value. Does it auto convert them? It might. Yeah, of course. That's always going to be a problem, apparently. Huh. I might just be able to use this now. Okay, so I've got that. Let's see if I can figure out what's in this float. Like, what are the values of this float? New float. Float. Rounding mode from bool nat. Expression and int. Go math big. Math big. Go math big. Okay. Functions. Of course there's. Oh my god. I don't know why they. Oh, that just annoys me. Okay, here we've got a float, right? So I guess what this would be like. Well, these are kind of valid. Let's go back to this test here. Let's add a number to this because this doesn't actually have anything. So we'll say 1.10 or 1.01. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so yeah, that works. But what I want is to figure out what are these value, like what can I do here, right? So if I do final value dot, can you convert this to? One sec. Okay. There's a simple equation that we can use to test whether or not this is going to work. But it's being annoying. Let's see if we can just do this. What if we just do this? What if we do equals decimal dot add. Oops. I need to know the float. How do I get? No, I want this. Okay, so these round mode, accuracy. Maybe it's accuracy? Seriously? Wait. Oh, these aren't. Oh, okay. Accuracy, which is an integer. Okay. I think that does the trick. Accuracy of 0. Okay, so it's not that. Not the sign, not the mod. Let's see. Sec prep. Make ack. Do I need to do that? Make ack? let's just split this right left since we're just doing testing here. Make, oops. Oh, make ack is, okay, so nope. You know what we could do? You know what we could do? Where is it? Not that. Is this it? Yeah. Okay. Documentation, index, new. There it is. Okay, so if we just say 4. Yeah, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say, we're going to go 5. And we're going to import the correct thing here. Then here we're going to do, because I need to take this in as a float, as a just in case method, right? So begin, I'm sorry, CAGR values dot begin value dot, okay, and then this would be multiplied by 1000. Let's make sure. Calculator. Okay, so here we'll say 100.0001 times 1000. I got that wrong. 100, or so we'll just do 1.1234 times 10,000. There we go. Okay, so it's times 10,000. And then if we divide by 10,000, there we go. Okay, so times 10,000, right? And then this would be decimal dot new. And this would be 4. And int 64. Right? Okay, so let's say go convert float to int 64. Okay, so it'd be, I think this should work. There we go. This needs to be 10,000, not that. Okay, and then this would be beginning value dot Wait, what? Wait. Okay, so this is the input and this is the return. So it wants a blank one. Big result equals decimal dot new, right? And then this would be big result beginning value, final value, big result. And big doesn't get used. Wait, did I actually make it like that? No, I didn't. Okay, so it's screwing it up. This was not ever what it was supposed to be. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so in this case, if I do this on the other side, right? So this would be okay, so this would be we'll say 16. Wait, how big is 16? Max value of int 16. Yeah, that's fine. What about 8? 8 is fine. Uint 8. And then this would be JSON. Hey, anonymous. I'm always typing this wrong block. There we go. There we go. All right, and then we need to bring up our test here, and we need to add that. Oops. We're just going to say 4. There we go. Beautiful. And what we're going to do is we're going to essentially send it over pre-computed, and these will all not be floats anymore. These are all going to be, this will be a uint 64. Uint 64. Beautiful. How are you doing today, Anonymous? Anonymous, sorry. Feel like it's been a while. Values dot Oops. No. This needs to be 0, and this will be precision. So this will be CAGR values dot precision. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, okay, just wants an int. There we go. So if we just do this, it autocasts them, or doesn't autocast them, but it just makes this a bit easier. Precision. There. And then we don't need this int 3064 because, well, we've already, they come in that way. Makes that easier. Beautiful. Now let's try this. Constant. Oh, yeah. This will be 2. Oh, beautiful. It is perfect. That works. Big result dot. Okay, we're onto something here. We're making progress. Okay, decimal index power both operands and the power up. In this here thing, they said that they offered a bunch of things, right? And what does this return? Their version of big. Yeah, okay. Okay, so how would I get this to the precision quants set Z reduce remainder raw round to int. Set signal bit scale. I don't know what scale is in this context. float. Set insignificant or NFI. Set ment scale. Set 0. Unmarshal JSON. Okay, interesting. Huh. I really should have seen that coming. Validate. Documentation index. Is there a different name for raising that I'm not sure of? Like there's power to the power of or raise, but like it doesn't seem like go decimal math raise to the power of. None of these are great. None of these are like Golang. Like that's terrible because math doesn't the default math algorithm doesn't give you the correct stuff. It never has. Is floating point math broken? It's not broken, it's just wrong. How to do package big implements arbitrary precision arithmetic, big numbers. The following arithmetic types are supported. I wonder if I can just do this. I wonder if I can just use the default one. Like that might be a way to do it. Math big. Right? Yeah, it's going to complain, but that's fine. Decimal power of 2 exponents. Raise. To the power. Go. Decimal. To the power of x. Golang. They're not going to give it to me, are they? Unless math allows me to do it, like maybe it does. Just in general, math. Let's try. we can get rid of that for now. Oops. Math dot power. No, it wants floats. Of course it does. It wants floats. Of course. Floats all around. But then I don't trust it to give me back the correct values, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication with no loss of precision. Division. Does this have a power? Maybe I have to find a different library. Okay, this one has it. Let's switch to this one. Oh God, this is like such a pain in the butt. This one also is like not even an issue with the language either, which is kind of upsetting, right? Go, I think it's go get dot. Yeah. Okay, there we go. And then this one actually has better, potentially better for new, right? It allows me to do it straight from floats. Oh, yes. Okay, so we'll just do float, float, float. Oh, beautiful. Number of years, it will be int 8. Wait, what was the max for int 8 again? No, it needs to be an int. I know, int 8, yeah, because it's just year. And then we don't care about precision anymore. Oh my God, that's so amazing. I don't care about precision. I didn't want precision. Decimal new from float. New from float. Oops. Oh, it's beautiful. I think though this needs to be a float 64. Yeah. Beautiful. Result will be equal to decimal dot power, or I guess this would be what? Beginning value dot power. Final value. No, I wanted this one. Yay! Math not used, of course. Okay, and this needs to be an F. Oh no, this returns a decimal. So this would be an S. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Freaking amazing. Oh, it's totally horribly wrong. Like that is so wrong. There's like nothing right about that. That result is freaking terrible. Result. Oh wait, that's because that's to the power of. That's not what I wanted. Okay. So it it does work, and that makes sense as to why that's horribly huge. What I actually want is um, uh, value ratio equals um, beginning value dot div final value. Value ratio, and then year ratio. Wonder if this can be just like, oh no, because it needs to be like dot, right? So here we'll say 1 year equals decimal dot new from float 1.0. And this would be 1 year dot div and then this will say number of years equals decimal dot new from float CAGR values dot number of years. New from big int. New from big int. And wait, this takes in a, oh, new from float. You know what? I'm just going to do this. Since this is internal, doesn't matter. Actually, no, I want this to, I want that to be there. And then this would be float 64. Like so. And then here it would be number of years. And then here we could do year ratio and value ratio. Year ratio. Beautiful. Let's see if this works. It does. Sweet. Okay, so I think that's what it should be, right? And then if we come over to here, now we want to do the, what was the math on this again? 19,000, 10,000, 1, 3. Let's try this. 3. Yeah, 19,000, 10,000. And the expected value should be this. Give me a second here. Var expected, oops, expected result will be why do you do this? Why does this hate me? Decimal. This will be decimal dot new from float. And this will be a value of 23.86. Beautiful. Show you. Will you be? No, we want this to be a decimal. No, I want this to be a float 64. Okay. All right, so the next step here, actually we can remove that line 5 because it's going to cause problems anyways. All right, so the next step here will be value ratio dot power of year ratio. Does this return a new value? I feel like it does, yeah. Okay. And then we want to do decimal dot sub. How the okay. All right, I'm just going to keep my cool. Keep my cool. How do I add? You'd think that add and subtract would probably be close together, right? Is there a different name? Sup, Jack? Sup. Feel like this is it. I feel like this is it. I really hope this is it. Oh wait, no. Power, right? Actually, I guess this doesn't need to be a, no, it does. And this would be, oh, sorry, this would be results dot result equals result dot float. Hmm. Let's see if this worked. Error format S has arg output type of float 64. Oh, yeah. How did we get -2? No, wait. We got 0. uh, if exact, if not exact. Is this right? Oh yeah, it is. Fmt dot print line not, oops, not test now I can rename this actually. Maybe? I hope I can rename this. Calculate. Expected 223.86 got. What if I remove the multiply by 100 here? Wonder if that would work. Why am I still getting 0? Okay, let's try this again. But let's try this in... It's 1.9 to the power of 0.3333. What if I truncate it? With just a round. Dot round basis. Okay, I'll just do this. Round to 4. Round to 4. Right? Still got 0. Oh, god damn it, expected. Okay, so we'll come over here. Cannot use result. What if I just do this? And then get rid of that. Okay, does this work? It sees them. It just doesn't do the fucking math. At all. Just... Hey, sorry, Jack. I'm trying to create a CAGR calculator. What's the meaning of this one here? Compound annual growth rate. But it's just because like when that and this are always like so close together, like it doesn't work in some things, and it looks like it doesn't work here either. I was using this one and I got this working and it was kind of nice, but then this doesn't have the power that I need. Set man to scale. Let's see here. Math. Other names for raising to the power of. Maybe that. I think this is it. Okay. Oops. God damn it. File. Where's the redo? Shift Command Z. Okay. So if we come back here, we want to use this one again. Actually, I might just be able to go back. See if it will let me go back far enough. Come on. Damn. Not entirely. Okay, we're just going to make it a string. That's fine. This needs to be sent in pre-computed over. So this will be int 64. Int 64. Yep. And then dot int 32. Oh no, he's Golanging it. Yeah. I needed something specific, and this allowed me to get that specificness thingy. So Yes, but also no. Like it's not so much that Erlang let me down or Elixir let me down. It's that Elixir just doesn't have the um yeah, sorry. Why is this causing a problem now? Oh yeah. There we go. It is, but I'm gonna do it as a microservice. It'll allow me to expand it a little bit more and a little bit more flexibility in the future. And I have a feeling this is not going to be the first time I'm going to need to go to something like Go. So I'm just going to do it as a microservice. Initially, I was going to do it in Python because Python actually has all the libraries for what I want to do. But the startup time for Python and then building Python is something that I kind of want to get away from if I can help it. So I am testing this. Okay, so result. Sorry, this would be CAGR results dot result equals, and this needs to be then a string, right? So this would be, we should probably do the calculation here. Result is equal to beginning value dot x. Oh, this requires the, oh yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. It isn't. Oh, okay. But this just needs to be an int. Does that mean that this would work? Go get dot. This need to be like readjusted. There we go. There we go. Okay, so this just needs to be cast to an int. Int. Beautiful. Okay. And then I need results equals decimal dot new 0. And then this would be this. And then we would do results dot. Okay, so now we've got them all. dividing by 0 is undefined, so will be set with context. Wait, so okay, so how do I get a context? Is there examples? I feel like there should be examples. These examples are garbage. Context unlimited provides. Okay. Okay. I see what I was doing wrong here. So it'd be decimal dot context unlimited dot add. Oh, that's nice. What is y? What is y? Why is there 3? Why is okay? I'm only being slightly trolled. Only slightly trolled. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I don't want to divide by 0. Like, I can check that beforehand. All of that wonderful jazz. I want to just do division. Why is that difficult? Why do I feel like I'm constantly being trolled? Add. Wait, how does this work? Okay. Okay. Okay, so then this goes to this. Which is then set. What if I do this? I'm doing okay. How about you? Sorry, I keep missing chat. I'm just being, yeah. Oh, wait, this is supposed to be div. Okay, so add works. Now, how do we do divide? Conditions. Is there a different name for divide that I don't know? Is this like a context thing? Maybe context has it. I don't know. Decimal dot context unlimited dot div. In addition to basic arithmetic operations, except for division doesn't seem to be actually here, you know. Division. Who wants that? There's no way to divide. It's beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Divisor. Like I can't just be like, oh, here's the divisor. So what if I do Why does Go always fucking troll me? Like, here's the exponent. That's great. I like that. I just need division. Maybe if I just do did I miss, like, is there some other names that I don't know about for division? Denominator, maybe? Okay, let's try that. If I do decimal dot context unlimited dot d dot numerator. Context. This is big. Don't care. Don't care. A finite z to the most simplest form. Remainder. Maybe it's in here. Sets z which to x and returns z. Wait, I think we're here. Oh. I think I found it. Oh my god, it frickin' worked. God. Result. Results. Result. almost feel like Rust would be easier. Ah, God damn it. Oh my God. Okay, this is gonna work. Decimal dot context unlimited dot pow. Oh yes. Result. And then should be value ratio, year ratio. Oh, wait. What if I context this? Context 64. Let's try that. Oh, yes. It's not rounding though. Rounds, round Z down to the nearest digit of precision and turns Z. Interesting. You know what though? If I don't have to do the rounding, I don't care. Like preferably I wouldn't do any rounding whatsoever, right? Let's see if I still get a good number here. Still get a good number. Okay. We're good. Oh, thank God. Finally. Now if we do if I do this 16 decimal dot big. Yes. Expected result. Decimal dot new 2386 2. Right, and then this would be decimal, or sorry, this here could be maybe compare. This might need to be decimal dot context64 dot compare. Okay. What's this type? I thought this returned a big. Yeah, it does. It returns a big. Result. Placeholder argument output result has the wrong type. I think this is wrong, but but got 0, of course. Okay, beautiful. We're kind of on our way here. So this would be results dot result equals oh wait. Is that it? Cannot use decimal context. Oh my god. I feel like I'm going insane. How do you compare strings here? Golang compare strings. Okay, so that does work. But I have to pre-do it, so it'd just be like expected result is 2386, right? And then this would be expected result. Would that fix it? I think the math is wrong. Yeah, the math is horribly wrong. It's all kinds of off. Oh, right. I need to minus one. Okay, so if I do this, then I can do this. I need yet another one. God damn it. Uh, dividend? No, divisor? Yeah, okay. Dividend. Just give me a second here. This needs to be a star. And then this would be divisor. And then this would return. And then so oh, and I should probably add in the no, because the precision doesn't matter. And then return result dot quote dividend divisor. Beautiful. And then we've got to multiply. Do we need to multiply? I don't think we need to multiply, do we? No, we don't. Eventually, but I'll worry about that later. Then we need a power. Actually, I'll leave power the way it is. Because I don't think I can sub off this, can I? Yeah, no, I can't. Can I do this? Can I expand on this? Damn it. It won't let me. I had hopes, I had dreams. It didn't happen. Wiki power. In this case, I'll do X and Y. Because I don't have better names for them right this moment. Result. Decimal dot context 64 dot pow. This would be result x y. And oh, wait. This actually makes a lot of sense now. Decimal dot context 64 dot func sub. So actually names for subtraction. There it is. All right, so this would be decimal.big. Decimal.big. And we return a decimal.big. Then result. Return decimal.context 64 dot sub salt and then I guess we should also do a multiply. This will be big. Decimal.big. Decimal.big. Result. Return decimal.context 64 dot mul, and this will be result, and then multiplier by multiply, and there we go. Okay. These are going to be required, but I can put them here, and I don't need this anymore. All right, so we're going to bring these down here, and this will be beginning value, final value. I actually think that we can chain this even better. Give me a second here. Okay, so if we do, okay, so this would be like result is result is equal to pow of sorry, div power of div beginning beginning value final value, I think this is wrong, but just bear with me here. Ending value. Yeah. And then div of 1 by number of years. Then dot sub we sub by 1. And then we multiply by 100. Oops. And then here we can say CAGR results dot result equals result dot string. It's totally wrong. Still wrong. Okay, cool. Oh, that's why. Yes! It worked. Oh my god, I'm happy. Okay. Project. Here. Okay, so here now, we want to do that whole marshalling blah, 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 blah with this thing, right? Um, yeah, okay. All right, I think I need to take a break. I might be back later today. If not, I'll probably be on like tomorrow or something. Anyways, thank you to everybody who showed up. Sorry about all the rage at the beginning there. Go has that effect on me. Anyways, thank you again, and I'll see you guys hopefully for a little bit tomorrow at least. All right.